Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Insult to Vice President. Insult to Vice President.
Ni pynrem jor. Ni pynrem jor. Ni pynrem jor. We condemn opposition parties. We condemn opposition parties. Insult to Vice President.
Insult to nation.
Insult to Vice President.
Insult to nation.
Ni pynrem jor.
Liang pyrshah.
Ni pynrem jor.
Liang pyrshah.
We condemn opposition parties. Insult to Vice President.
Insult to nation.
Insult to Vice President.
Insult to nation.
Down, down. Opposition. Down, down.
Opposition parties.
Down, down.
Opposition parties.
Down, down.
Opposition parties.
Come here, sir.
Yes, sir. If you can speak a little bit about today's protest, sir.
We have come here together because we strongly oppose the way that the opposition parties have demeaned a constitutional chair, which is the Vice President of India. It's not a person, but is a chair that we have to respect. He is holding a constitutional post. Now, how can you make a mockery and an insult to the Vice President is an insult to the Constitution of our country that we abide by. Thank you very much.
So, would you demand any action to be taken to the opposition party?
Of course, that we leave the central body, I mean, Delhi. But this is just an indication that we stand along with the Vice President, and we indicate our moral support to him, that in spite of all these insults that has been fallen on him, but he should stand, and for him the country comes first, not these insults.